Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving into an essential tool for MetaTrader 4, okay, which is the trade assistant. Now, whether you are a beginner trader or an experienced trader, this tool can help you execute trades faster, manage risk more efficiently, and automate key tasks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and use the trade assistant on MT4 along with its key features and benefits. Before we jump in, hit that like button to support the channel, and if you are new here, subscribe for more forex trading tutorials and MT4 guides. Okay, let us get started. So what exactly is Trade Assistant in MetaTrader 4? The Trade Assistant for MetaTrader 4 is a trading tool that simplifies your execution process, helps you manage risk, and even automates some of the key tasks that can slow you down. The key features include one-click trade execution, just enter and exit trades faster, automated stop loss and take profit placement, risk management settings to control trade size, and multi-trade management for handling multiple open positions. With these features, Trade Assistant ensures you stay in control of your trades without the hassle of manually adjusting every single parameter. Now let us go step by step on how to set it up and use it effectively in MT4. Now the first step is to download and install. Okay, first of all, you have to download the Trade Assistant tool for MT4. All right, this could be from the MetaTrader marketplace or a trusted forex tool provider. Okay, so I'm just gonna be downloading the tool right now. Okay, so I just downloaded the Trade Assistant right now, and I just want to show you how to ensure that it is added to your indicators library or the experts library correctly. So I downloaded it from the MQL5 marketplace. Okay, so you can see this was the free Trade Assistant that I just downloaded right now, and it has already been added to one of the folders in my MQL4 in my MQL4 library, but I will need to ensure that it is in the correct folder. Okay, all right, now you can see that where the expert advisor entered was inside market. So I'm just going to remove it from here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, all right, now after doing that, I will have to restart the MetaTrader 4. So I'm just going to do that right away. All right, so I have restarted the terminal, the MT4 terminal. The next thing for us to do right now is to paste the Trade Assistant file on the chart. Okay, so in the navigator, we're going to go to view, we're going to go to navigator, and we are going to have to look for the Trade Assistant here, see it here, and we're going to drag it onto the chart. Okay, allow DLL imports, enable alerts, long and short positions. Okay, let's just leave this is a demo account. Okay, now let's say the free version works on 2 pairs XAD USD, and CAD CHF. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I will have to use one of these acceptable currency pairs for the free version. So I'm just gonna open the card, the CAD CHF CAD CHF chart right now. I'm gonna load my template and then ensure that the algo trading, auto trading is on. Okay, and now we're just gonna try this again on the CAD CHF chart. All right. Okay. All right. Here we go. So in the trade assistant window, set your preferred parameters. Okay, set your preferred parameters, stop loss and take profit levels. Define your risk and exit strategy, basically. Set your trade lot size. Okay, for example, let's see if we were going to enter a buy trade, lot size 0.1, stop loss 0.605, let's see, and take profit maybe 0.619. 0.619. Let's add a trailing stop. Okay, alarm open. Okay, let's buy. All right. um so I think the trade has been executed by the trade assistant. Trailing stop is on. Let's on break even. um okay, reverse. What reverse is doing is to change the order from buy to sell. So this, the trade assistant basically has its different features. You can see reverse x2, close 1/2, close 1/3. Perhaps if you wanted to close half of your order. Okay, I entered lot size 0.1, didn't I? Okay, so let's see, let's close half. Okay, you can see half of the trade was closed and the lot size now remaining 0.1. Okay, so basically the trade assistant has quite some interesting features, and you can actually experiment with all the features on a demo account. Okay, you can see that the trade assistant can automatically apply your stop loss and take profit for you. Well, as you can see, this trade assistant is quite interesting, but like I said, you can just experiment with it on your demo account first before using it on your live account, okay? Because in case of if there are any mistakes you're going to make, let it be that you're making those mistakes on a demo account, right? You can just experiment with all the features, okay? It can help you execute pending orders. You can see set stop loss and take profits, hide your stop loss and take profits, trailing stop, break even, alarm, um and so on, right? Now, this tool saves time and helps traders to stay disciplined by following a structured trading approach. And that is how you set up and use the Trade Assistant on MT4. This tool can help you simplify your trade execution and manage your risk more effectively, and also automate repetitive tasks. All right. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. Sorry. Smash that like button and subscribe for more Forex trading tutorials, MT4 guides, and trading tool reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any other tool that you'd like me to cover next, okay? Turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.